Hi there. You are watching Gizmo Journal. What if transforming into your parallel self was just one idea away? With AI-powered templates in Wondershare Filmora 15, you can step into another universe where your identity isn't fixed, it's imagined. An AI clone, a fantasy creature, a cyber idol. The ideas are already waiting. The visuals are ready. All that's left is your creativity. Mix worlds, reshape yourself. How to do it? Let me show you. Fire up the Filmora 15 editor. Then head to the stock media, then AI media. There are video inspirations for you which require no prompts. With just one click, transform yourself. For today's video, I searched for Cyber Extreme. These AI templates are impressively crafted perfect for bringing a parallel universe persona to life. Before we dive in, let's adjust the Filmora layout for a better workflow. Take a look at the previews. What stands out most is how accurately the AI preserves original facial features while delivering hyper-realistic animation. Simply choose the template that best fits your alternate reality. I used this specific template for the first transformation, and the result is incredible. It shows exactly how the headset warps reality into a sci-fi version of yourself. Just click Create, import your portrait, and hit that Generate button. Give it a minute, and there! The video is live, and it's a perfect just like the preview. This isn't just a digital costume change, it's an identity awakening. In the next example, let's use this cyber agent theme. And for the picture, I have imported this one, and let's see what happens. And wow, look at that. The results are way beyond what I imagined. It's impossible to tell this is AI. The ambience and the animation work together so well, giving you a totally realistic, cinematic secret agent look. You can also use the AI image feature in Filmora 15 to generate your own raw images. I'll type in a prompt for a photo of an American college student in her dorm room and hit Generate. Now let's transform this. Under AI Media Video Inspiration, search for Trance Blast. These templates are incredible. They're designed to help you unleash your inner anger and transform into something powerful. Watch what happens when I import our college student photo and generate the result. There it is. Mind-blowing, right? With Filmora 15, you aren't just exploring other universes. You're expressing your deepest inner emotions. We also have some incredible 3D transformation templates. I love this one. I'm importing a photo of a beautiful little girl to transform her into a 3D inflatable gummy. Look at that. The background stays perfectly intact, but the girl looks absolutely adorable and gummy-like. To bring her to life, I'll take a screenshot of the final frame and use the image-to-video feature to make her move and evolve. There's so much inspiration here. If you search for panoramic camera, you'll find 360-degree templates that work perfectly with your portraits. And voila! She's like a gummy doll dancing in her own world. It's a great way for your little ones to have a universe full of candy, joy, and imagination. To finish it off, search for the 3D carousel transition to link it to the original photo. Here's the final result. So, with AI templates in Wondershare Filmora 15, this is how you can easily transform yourself into a parallel version from another universe and bring your ideas to life. Use the ready-made concepts to build stronger visuals, experiment with different identities, and level up your storytelling. Try it out in Filmora 15 and see how far your imagination can go. You are watching Gizmo Journal.